everyone. So I hope this is recording. We're going to get started today with some information that I have to share with you, and it's urgent. So the first slide here that I'm showing you is so that you can take note that I did send you an email. I'm also going to be texting you to remind you that I sent you this email. Everything I'm going to share in this video today was also sent to your email, and it is imperative that you contact me via phone or text. We have to look through what is going on with your taxes for the following year, and you will know more as soon as I get through these slides. So basically, right now, what happened was that Biden gave $80 billion to the IRS to start auditing for the next 10 years. So he gave that money to them so that they can start by getting 10,000 new reps. 6,000 of those are going to be auditors and collections, and 4,000 are going to be to man the phones. And there's going to be a lot of different reasons why they look into your taxes. And some of them I'm going to share with you right away in this video, and others we can talk about when you call me for the consultation. So this is the initiative. The thing is that he went ahead and started it in December of 2022. Some of you already started to get notices. I know because you've contacted me about it. And I've given you these links so that you can review them. They're in your email. I'm not going to go into them right now, but you can do that at your leisure. And then these are some of the reasons. So if you're an 1120S sole proprietor, they're going to be looking at your taxes. Now remember that the IRS can go back 3 years and forward 4 for a total of 7. So once you get on their scope, it's not likely that they'll let you go, especially since they have a 10-year, $1 trillion incentive that they have to meet for Biden's regulations. Then anybody with a pass-through entity, they're going to be looking at that to make sure that you have the proper documentation and that you're actually taking the proper deductions. Anyone that has a 1098 student with a 1098T and has high deductions, they're going to be looking at those. People with gig work with excessive deductions, they're going to look at that. And that means that if you're self-employed and you have a Schedule C and you're not really running that through a corporation, they're going to be looking at auditing those. Negative or zero owed taxes on any corporation or personal taxes, they're definitely gonna red flag those. And then deductions taken on a business that isn't being advertised on any platform, such as a website, social media, no activity is being shown on that company, they're gonna audit those. And then small 1099s, meaning anything that is like $700, but you're taking $7,000 of deductions, they're going to audit those, and so on and so forth. So this is just a small scale. Even though they did put out an advertising today after we went through the certification that said, oh, we're not going to be doing that. We're only going to be doing it for people that make over 400,000. That wasn't the case in our class, and I just took this class a week ago. They're trying to appease the people and calm people down because everybody's in an uproar, and all accountants such as myself, we're going ahead and contacting all of our people and letting them know, hey, we have to look at what's going on before we even file your taxes to make sure that you're not going to be falling prey to them. So, but these are the rules. This right here is Biden's objective, which is to collect $1 trillion in the next 10 years. And to make matters worse, they went ahead and they did tell us that we have to get insurance now. We have to get a Ptin mandatory, which we've had already for years, but now we have to have a WISP, which is a wireless inspection system process. We have to mandatorily have insurance for all of you guys, meaning that we have to have you opt into your insurance in the taxes so that if you get audited, we can represent you as EAs. We had to all become either EAs, CPAs, or attorneys because they want to do away with mom and pop operations, and they want all of us to be at the same level as the large companies, Intuit, QuickBooks, Liberty Tax, H&R Block. You know, it's very difficult for us as a small operation to be at their level, but that's what Biden is trying to force, so that you are, in the end, all the little ones go away and then you're forced to use one of theirs. Obviously. So please look at your email because these are all cut off here in the slides, but I want to make sure that you actually read through them. Para todas las personas que hablan español, por favor, llámenme porque esto es muy difícil para traducirlo todo al español, pero sí se lo puedo decir en una llamada. Le van a llegar un correo electrónico con toda esta información que ven en este video, pero necesito explicarle las nuevas leyes y regulamentos y todo lo que Biden está tratando de hacer a través del IRS por los próximos 10 años que nos va a afectar a todos. So back to English, guys, it's imperative that you call me. We need to look at everything real quick. We only have 8 weeks left and only 4 weeks if we actually want to do anything because middle of December is too late already. So please call me right away so that we can get a handle on this. Thanks, guys.